It's changed a lot since then. Huh?
Yeah, it has. Hi. Oh.
Warm enough for you?
Yes.
Look at Jim, can't even see the dam.
Damn it.
3,250,000 cubic yards of concrete. That's enough concrete to build a two-lane highway from San Francisco to New York City. The thickness of the roadway is a mere 45 feet, but as the dam expands towards the base, it reaches 660 feet, nearly as thick as it is tall. She weighs in at 6.6 million tons. Behind the dam, you could see Lake Mead, the largest man-made reservoir in the United States. It has a storage capacity of 9.2 trillion gallons of water. Enough water to flood the state of Connecticut 10 feet deep. The body of water in front of the dam is called the Tail Bay, or Tail Race, but in reality that's the Colorado River. This is where the water is drawn from hundreds of
so
feet
they're here
below
now.
the surface of the lake.
So they're trying to
and
find parking. I
spills
said, you'll
through
see
the
us on the
turbines,
observation. They won't be able to come in without paying, so we'll go down. But
the water comes out of the turbines at an average temperature of 53 to 55 degrees.
hello, we love each other
Oh, it's video.
very much. Yeah.
I thought you were-